detectors are detecting that this wolf wants to mate with this female. Interesting. Compay! And Mech for Danger here for another! Hey, it's a Twix. Transformation! Oops. And today, we got N.E.S.T Global Alliance Autobot Ratchet. Now here's AUTOBOT Ratchet, not Ratchet. Okay? Here's AUTOBOT Ratchet. So yeah, picked him up today. Got him from the Bullseye shop. And you can tell you want him on your side because he has great courage and great skill. And he's smart. So yeah. Pick this guy up today. Awesome. I never really liked the Voyager one. Oh no, instructions, we don't deal with instructions here. And Global Alliance sticker! Yeah. So far, pretty cool so far. I mean, he looks pretty awesome. And I don't know. I wasn't really deciding on what type of transformer I'm trying to pick up. Been trying to get RC, but hasn't worked out yet. I did find the animated Ratchet, but it was only Ratchet. There was no RC. And I found this one not too long ago, actually. It's like, Hey, it just has a wheel well back there. Pretty cool. Looks awesome. Search and Rescue Fire Department. So let's see. Oh, it just pops off. Where's my... There he is. There's his Nemesis Enforcer. So he can... Oh, it doesn't fit all the way. That sucks. They sucks. Let's see. Is this supposed to do something? Yeah. Boom! He can take his gun. I guess, but that's all his thing does. So let's see. Huh. I don't know. I still don't have an Adam. This is my first Ratcheto figure ever. Like, ever. Huh. So I've never actually had a Ratchet figure. I was gonna get Classics Ratchet, but after I got Brawn, I was like, Ironhide, I was like, oh, I don't know. Did I just break something already? Oh no, okay. Oh, hi, my name's Ratchet. The female wants to mate with the male. The legs. I'm feeling something is supposed to happen here, but I don't know what. Oh, I just popped his head off. Not good. I guess that goes up. Something locked into place. What does this go to? It's not moving. Not up or down. Let's see the rear. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Pretty cool, I guess. And that just all folds up, and then the legs come down. There we go! Transformed! Actually, no. It's not transformed. It's like halfway transformed. Does this piece go here, or that piece? Oh, okay. Arm flip around, okay. Then... Ah, okay, there we go. That seems to defy... Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay. Just gotta be careful of the tab. Okay. There now. Okay. Lock his waist into place and then pop it down. And that pops up. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. And then come on. It's got like a... Oh, I guess that's where his gun goes. Goes right there. Okay. Now how do we get the shoulders? Oh, fuck. The instructions are way over there. They're far away. But I mean, not the instructions. The packaging is way over there. So let's see. The wheels are supposed to go on the top. But look at this. Look at this. See how he's transformed right there? It's all backwards. Like they didn't do it correctly or something. Kind of weird. And then that's kind of weird. I guess this goes up and in. Ah, didn't want that to happen. We almost got it though, guys. We almost got it. Does that look like that makes sense to you guys? Oh shit. Like that? Is that the way? Does that make sense? Does that make sense? I don't know. Does it? It looks like it might. I don't know if it does though. And the hands look like they're right side up. Yeah. Ratchet-O. I like this. It's really silver in there. It really catches the light. That's pretty cool. And does this? Yeah, that does. Coolness. That's pretty cool right there. Stick it in here. Oh, well. How about that? There's a like gears on this thing, so when you put it in there, all this go. Put it in there, all that stuff pops up too. Like it's clicking into place, I guess. Can't seem to hold his gun in, but that just might be mine. It's supposed to go like that. Yep, there's the Ratchet-O. And it's the Deluxo version. And we've got my lockdown. Who's gonna catch his bait, baby? Yeah. Catch his bait. No. Pretty cool though. I like this whole thing right here. The Mecha Live was interesting. I don't have no idea what this is supposed to do aside from launch the cannon out.